Welcome to day number 15, and we'll be looking at why bigger birds eat first and grow faster. Here's the thought: broilers don't eat equally, they eat competitively. By day number 15, the size difference becomes self-reinforcing. Bigger birds grow faster because they already are bigger. You get it? So let's walk through some points and find out why. Number one, the size creates priority access. In a flock, bigger birds reach feeders first, smaller birds wait and are pushed away, bigger birds drink first. This happens every feeding cycle, each and every day. Size creates priority. Number two, early advantage multiplies daily. Once a bird eats more, it gains more weight, it becomes stronger, it competes better the next time. And smaller birds eat later, eat less, fall further behind, the gap widens naturally. Number three, crowding makes this worse. In a tight space, competition increases. Dormant birds control the feed areas. You'll always find the big guys at the feeding point or at the tank. Weak birds avoid feeders. Simple. Over time, uniformity disappears. Small birds eat almost the same feed. The important truth is that smaller birds often eat 80 to 90% of the feed of bigger birds, but their conversion is worse. They grow less and they reduce the batch average. Number five, waiting does not fix the problem. Keeping smaller birds longer increases the cost of the feed, increases the stress of the birds, and rarely closes the size gap. And all of this you will see as the birds grow. You'll realize that there's those that are big, those that are medium sized, those that are small, trying to catch up. You'll see them. Those are the ones that have energy to jump around, fly around, because of the size. They're so lightweight that they can move around easily. But the bigger guys, they don't move much. They sit down after they eat, go and have a drink, come back, go to the feeder, feed, sit down. Those are the big guys. They only move calculatedly. Now, why does this hurt your pocket as a farmer? Uneven birds causes low average weights, so you'll have a big range of weights from large, medium to small. You have poorer prices, so now you have to lower your price because of smaller birds. And there's more sorting to do. Let's say you can't be selling small birds at high prices. It's unfair for the customer. So uniform birds sell better and cost less. So what do you do in day 15? You reduce overcrowding, you ensure that there's enough feeder space, you separate small birds early if needed, and maintain access to feed and water at all times. Here's a thought: in broilers, early advantage grows into permanent advantage. I have created a Broiler Gems. It's an in-detail book that goes through day one to the point where you sell, from how much you start to invest till how much you can make, and the link will be in the description. It's called Broiler Gems. I would implore you to go after it. It's a small investment but will bring along great and big returns. So in day number 15, your chicks are basically 2 weeks and 1 day old, and I will show you here that I actually increased my number of feeders because I realized there's overcrowding at the feeders. Some birds have to wait, some don't get a chance. There's overspilling because some birds are just birds, man. They tip the feeders over, and it spoils, and the small birds will come and feed off the ground and whatever. So that's why I increased these feeders. I initially had 2, but now I moved it to 3, and the third one is basically for the big guys that can manage it, have the strength to stretch their necks and reach for the feed. And with regard to the drinkers, I just made one high level and one low level drinker. so that the birds have an equal opportunity of drinking, because feeder and water go hand in hand. You can't feed your birds and expect them to grow alone. They need water because the water converts the feed into growth. That's where the proteins get activated, muscle growth develops. So on day number 15, just check and prioritize which birds are struggling, how you can better manage and handle the situation. Thanks for watching. See you on day number 16.